Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sour candy. Begin by gathering ingredients and tools, then choose an acid like citric or malic for the tang you want. Heat sugar and glucose to the right temperature, add flavor and color, pour into molds, and dust with sour coating when set. I will explain batch sizes, texture adjustments, and storage tips so you can confidently make chewy, hard, or gummy sour candy at home. Start by measuring sugar, glucose, water, and your chosen acid precisely, because small changes affect texture and flavor. Pick a flavor concentrate like lemon, lime, or strawberry, and remember color is purely optional. Dissolve sugar slowly over low heat, then raise temperature with a candy thermometer to avoid burning. I will show how to test stages, adjust chewiness, and mix acids for different sour profiles to match your taste preferences. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for hands-free timers and recipe prompts while you make candy, and it brings some fun tunes to your kitchen experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a small kitchen upgrade to keep your hands free. Now, let's get back to the video. Timing and temperature are everything when making sour candy, so plan each step before you start. For hard candy, heat to the hard crack stage. For gummies, stop earlier and add gelatin. And for chews, include butter or cream for softness. I will guide you through cooling, cutting, and coating methods that give consistent results. Practice small batches first, then scale up once you master texture and sour balance with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.